Oh, I'm replacing this cabin air filter on a 2000 Nissan Sentra. Okay. And according to some places online, you just take off this one and this other screw here and these two other screws here. Okay. And this one here. Actually, I don't even, oh yeah, I can see it there. Oh, let me see. Actually, there's room here. Let me see. So we're saying you have to take off the other stuff. Let me see. I can see it here. Oh yeah, they're right. You have to take it off. Yep, okay. So you take it off there. And I guess that's supposed to be the only screws. Yep, comes off. And this is already loose here, so we just need to make sure this thing smells kind of coming apart. Should have grabbed one from the breaking yard. Anyway, oh, nice. Look at this car. This is real nice. This is beautiful. Somebody removed the filter. By the way, this is not I'm not the original owner of this car. I purchased this car used. And I can see that somebody removed the filter and they never put one. That's messed up. Totally messed up. So we're putting a filter. You should have a filter before, but somebody took off. Somebody took off the filter and they never put a filter. By the way, this arrow is supposed to point down. Okay, there's an arrow here that's supposed to point down because the air comes from the top and then goes to the condenser. So you see, somebody just took off the filter and they never put one. But we're putting one. We don't do that kind of stuff. Okay, guys, so I need to put that little cover there and we should be good to go. I mean, look at this. This is coming apart. So, not something that I like, but oh well. And it goes like this. That's how it came off. That's how we're going to put it back. Okay. Then we just clip it. That's it. Simple as that. And now we start putting everything back. This goes like see, it goes like this. So I guess it grabs here and then we just put it back to the way it was. Yep, that's it. Simple as that. And then let me see. We got this here. Have to push it. There. And now we just put the screws. That looks very simple. Okay, and all the screws they're the same. They're matching screws, so it doesn't make any difference where you put it. They'll work the same. So they put the 4 screws back and you're in business. By the way, I'm doing it at night because normally it's too hot around here. Unless I keep the car running. But that's not right, you know. Okay, so we're tying this there. there. And this other one here. That's funny, you know. What people does, you know. Somebody removed the filter, and they never put one. Hey, honestly, that can damage the evaporator, you know. The evaporator can get all dirty, you know. And that won't allow the air to work properly. Purpose of that filter is to stop all the debris and dust and everything to go into the cab, but also from going into the evaporator and damaging your system. So anyway, let's hope. Well, it was blowing good, but I just thought it needed a filter because I never changed the filter myself since I purchased this car. But my daughter was using it, then my son was using it, and I figured to put it. But anyway, that's how you do this. Okay, it goes here. Now I can see it. Yep, it goes here. It looks like it's done. Let's hope it's grabbing good. Yep, it's grabbing good. It's done. See, simple as that. That's how you replace a cabin filter. But in this case, I'm not replacing the filter. I'm putting one. It didn't have one. That's ridiculous. But that's what happened. You guys notice. I'm not making it up. I just opened this tank for the first time since I purchased this old car. And whoever took off the filter, they never put one. So we're putting a new one. So it's done. Thank you guys. Till next time. Bye.